instantly.
Koshu, when you call for the DAT, can you make sure you say like DAT or like pop stickies? Don't say like pop.
No.
Instead of saying
That's an easy word.
Yeah.
You need to specifically say phallic imagery, otherwise I won't know what you're talking about.
Say phallic
Can I
imagery.
just yell
That
dead as
seems a bit
fast as
slow.
possible?
Yell
Just-
phallic imagery as loud as possible.
No,
I don't know if that's the best word.
here's what you need to do. You need to yell dicks as loud as you can.
No, Star
But
and
it's the
Germa
password, it's like
have found
tradition.
this to work effectively. If you decide something that's completely like outrageous, it'll happen. Like I know this medic from lobbies. What he would do is if there was something on him, he would just shout bark 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 bark, and his combo would turn around and help him.
Are you going to bark?
And it
Okay,
worked.
Schwartzy is barking, otherwise I'm not turning around.
No, please.
There's a spot.
If you say something on me, I'm gonna start walking away. But if you bark, I'm gonna like turn around and help.
Actually, can I do this? The screen would be good for that. Or the
That laugh, holy shit.
God. Lipston's laugh is the best laugh in all the games.
Wait, so what should we do that for? For a spy or for pushing?
Just anytime I feel like
I
I'm.
think we're popping
That's gonna be my, hey guys, I'm fully charged.
That's.
I'm gonna do that from the time I'm fully charged until I pop.
I don't know if that's a good thing
Well,
or
no,
a
we need a
bad
more
thing.
positive sound if you're charged. Like.
I love this team so much.
Did you just fart?
No, I moved my chair.
Okay, so that's established then.
Liar.
So we're fully charged. We go. And if they're pushing him, we go. Ah!
If there's a spot on me, I'm like.
God, it's like a gag.
What about focusing targets? That's pretty
I hope
important,
somebody's
I think.
recording this.
Yeah, I'm streaming this.
Make this a stream highlight, please.
Yeah. The many
my
sounds
God,
of death.
The only person
many
that
sounds
doesn't
of
record their matches.
Shades of assertions.
But if you record our matches, they'll learn our strategy. Oh no.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, no. Christ.
Oh no.
Okay, so while if we pop, and what do we usually just say we Ubered?
Yeah.
Oh god.
So here's what we'll do: when we pop, and whoever's involved in the pushes, everybody go.
I don't wanna. Why did you say you want them to flash you?
Dude, are we gerbils?
Are we gerbil?
Yes,
Oh yeah,
we're
we're all
gerbils.
gerbils.
Of course, that's the noise we're making. Gerbils.
Team gerbil defense too. I can't talk.
Oh, I'm gonna re-exec so that everything's correct.
No, my kill streak.
Oh, I could feel that one. Oh.
Just no. Just use your tongue against your lower lip.
No, I violently rip at my cheek to do that.
Well, you need 2 hands to play TF2. Oh, rip.
Well, they have 5 so otherwise we win.
Well, they're all in here.
No, they're not.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah,
their
they
teams in.
had one on our team.
Yeah.
Wait, so you're streaming this round, Diego?
No, I'm not. I wish I could.
Okay.
I am.
Schwartzy
Almost
is.
too much.
I was about to say. Okay, well that's equally as interesting.
Equally as depressing.
Alright. Time for serious face.
Serious face.
Serious face.
I don't think we can come back from that.
Serious?
Do we have everyone in them?
Yeah, everyone. No. Who left?